Welcome to the YouTube channel howtopega.com. Please subscribe to this channel to get more videos and click bell icon to get more instant notification. Is there any question? Please comment below in this video. Let's start. Today I am going to explain how to create a basic application using Pega Dev Studio. Currently I am in a Dev Studio portal. In the first video I show you how to log in through default username and password and how to navigate to this Dev Studio. Today I'm going to start with the creation of application. The application Pega platform, there is a menu in the top to create new application. So when we click this application, new application, it will open a new wizard to create the application. In this wizard, it will show what are the types of application we can create using Pega. The first one is custom. The custom means create anything you can imagine. So any kind of application you can build as a custom application. The second one is Infinity Framework. Infinity Framework is the existing framework I already created in this system. I can use that framework to build our implementation as well. I will explain the difference between the framework and implementation in the later. The third one is request approval. It's a predefined application with some case types and data model. At the same time, service request is another kind of application and the task tracker is another application. We can use this existing application to modify. So today I'm going to start with the custom application design. Just click the application. It will show what is custom design. In here they mention there is no predefined case types or data types. In here they didn't create any predefined cases or data types for this application. We need to develop from scratch. Just click use this application type. It will open the screen to create the application. So name of the application I need to give as a application name. I'm giving the name of the application is claim. I'm going to create an application for insurance company. When after entering this claim, I need to click advanced configuration to set up the organization settings and class layer. In here there are two types of application structure we need to consider. First, initially it's selected as a implementation. So we can switch to framework. The difference between the implementation and framework, as an insurance company, they want to create a based application and then top of that they want to implement for different region or different countries. They want to do some brandings and all. They can do some implementation top of the framework. So in here I can create the first one as a framework application. If I select framework, in here it will automatically add FW as a organization. So class structure, application ID, it's already there, already taken from the application name, and the organization, it's automatically come up with the existing name. So some random name. I selected Techumo and division name as a some finance and unit as a existing unit. Then it's automatically this organization name started with the 5 characters for the class structure, and TechU I can add it manually also. Techumo the hyphen FW hyphen climb hyphen work is the class structure for this application. So today I'm creating the application type as a structure as a framework. So in this top of this claim application, I can create another implementation for insurance claim for the particular company, and I can customize some features for the particular company. So now I just click save button and just create application. It will take some time to create the application. Now it's moved to the next screen. Now claim has been configured and now ready to use. So now we need to create the operators. I explained in the first video what is operator ID and why we need for that. So today I'm going to create one operator, admin, and the role as an admin. Okay, so it's create a operator admin at howtopega.com. This is a password for that. Just copy this password, then click done or log off. So I want to log off this application, and I'm going to log in with the created operator admin at howtopega.com at the password. So initially it will ask to change the password given the current password, and for ease of usage I'll enter the new password as a root, and the confirm password also. Click change password. It will reset the existing password. And it will navigate to admin studio. Okay, so in here, why it's navigated to admin studio means our operator is pointed to admin studio default. In here I can go and switch to dev studio. Okay, in here you can see the application name as a claim framework. So now we are in a created framework application as a claim framework. Admin at howtopega.com. So this operator is pointed to access group. That access group contains the portal. So initially in here, this access group, it's automatically created by Pega when we create the application. The access group name as a claim administrator. So this access group pointed to application claim which we created is O1 O1 O1. Now when I log into this application, it will point to this access group application. So just click this access group. It will open the access group role. In here, this application what we created, and it's pointed to admin studio. If we want to point it to dev studio directly for this login, so we can easily switch and save. Other than that, there are some access roles. So these things I will explain in later. Now we have a operator. This operator pointed to access group admin claim administrator. This access group is pointed to the application is a client. Okay. So now I close this. When I log in again, it will directed to dev studio directly. Okay. Now the application is created. So top of this application, I need to create a basic case type. So now if you go here, the application, you can check the overview of this application. When you go to the claim framework, it will show overview, definition, and channels and interface for this application skin, and we can create another new application or switch to, if we have multiple application, we have switched to another application as well. So now I click overview for this application. It will show the current application overview. Currently we don't have anything for this application, so we can go to the definition. It will show what are the rule sets it's created for this application. In here you can see UI kit and Pega rules. There are two applications built on top of this two application. The claim application is built on, so we can see clearly this is the structure, the layer. We use these two applications to create this claim framework. For example, if we create an implementation layer using this framework, in top of this framework we are using our implementation as well. At the same time, Pega automatically creates some rule sets. Rule sets, its claim is a one rule set, is a application rule set. At the same time, the integration rule set for the application, and there are two other rule sets for organization level. One for organization rule set and one for organization level integration rule set. At the same time, it's create the claim is a skin for this application as well. We can modify this skin rule as per our usage. For currently, I'll explain what is this application structure overview for this claim framework. If you check the case and data, there is no case types defined for this application, so that's why it's empty. Application wizard and documentation and integration security and history I'll explain in the next video. So this is the application creation in Pega. From this point we can create case types and data models, and we can use this application to build our application. Okay, thanks everyone.